I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Everyone, hello universe, it's me again. Shout out sa inyo mga kababayan. Sa mga Marcos Loyalist supporters, Filipino and OFW. Ayan, meron tayong very good news for everybody. Sabi nila, walang proyekto ang Pangulo, walang ginawa ang Pangulo. Walang kwenta daw yung Marcos administration. Knockout talaga naman, oo. Yung mga words na yan, ano yan, pang destabilization lang yan. Yung lagi kong sinasabi. Saan na naman kaya pumunta ang Pangulo? Siyempre, masipag yan eh. Magugulat ka na lang. Yung mga proyekto niya talaga sumusulpot parang kabuti. Ito. Sabi dito, basahin ko mga kababayan bago natin ihatid yung kabuoang highlights. Okay? Sabi dito mga kababayan, aabot sa 20 milyong residente sa Metro Manila, Bulacan at ilang bahagi ng Cavite at Rizal ang makikinabang sa tuloy-tuloy at maaasang supply ng tubig sa pagbubukas ng Tunnel Number 5 ng Angat Water Transmission Improvement Project EWTIP yan sa Norsagaray, Bulacan. Wow na wow. Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang pagpasinaya sa proyekto na itinuturing na mahalagang hakbang para palakasin ang Umiray Angat Ipo Lamisa System at water security. To God be all the glory. Ang galing talaga ng Pangulo. Siyempre, sanib persa yung mga partnership, yung mga LGUs, talagang nagtutulungan. Alam po natin, Metro Manila, urong-sulong ang tubig on and off ka nga. Pero ngayon, galing. Pinuri ng Pangulo ang pakikipagtulungan ng Manila Water at ng mga manggagawa sa proyekto bilang patunay na kayang makamit ang malaking layunin kapag nagkakaisa ang gobyerno, pribadong sektor at LGUs patungo sa mas inklusibo at sustainable na hinaharap. Yes. Wow. Yay! Diba? Shoutout sa mga Marcos Loyalists at mga supporters sa buong mundo. Tingnan nyo naman ang Pangulo. Kaya ba? Kaya bang mamuno yung mga taong walang alam? Si PBBM lang mayroon ganun. Pakinggan natin yung kanyang sinabi mga kababayan. Okay?
May we request the President and the party for the unveiling of the marker. At the count of 3, Mr. President. 1, 2, 3. The marker reads as follows: Inauguration of the Angat Water Transmission Improvement Project, Tunnel Number 5. Inaugurated by His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, Bicte Basin, Norzagaray, Bulacan, 28 November 2025. Thank you, Mr. President, and congratulations to the MWSS, Maynilad, and Manila Water. At this point, may we invite the President and other guests to proceed to the main program venue.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Today we witness adaptability and resiliency. A foresight by President Ferdinand Edralin Marcos on water security when he realized we cannot continue to rely on Angat Dam, which services 90% of Mega Manila's water needs. More than 50 years ago, we still adhere to the wisdom of building sustainable water infrastructure. Today, honored in the presence of President Marcos Jr., we commence the operation of Angat Transmission Improvement Project, Tunnel Number 5, one of the truly vital pieces of Mega Manila's water infrastructure. In 2012, we started the re-engineering of the MWSS raw water conveyance system to improve the reliability, operational flexibility, and water security in the Umiray, Angat, Ipo, La Mesa raw water conveyance system. This reflects our shared commitment of transparency and public service aligned with the strategic infrastructure agenda of our President. Sa ating mahal na Presidente, marami pong salamat sa inyong suporta at tiwala.
At this point, may we invite everyone to focus on the screen in front for the audiovisual presentation on the Angat Water Transmission Improvement Project, Tunnel Number 5.
fellow workers in government, our esteemed partners from the private sector, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Water is a resource that we use every single day and every single hour. Yet, we seldom pause to appreciate it. We certainly take it for granted. It is essential because we use it to stay healthy, to cook our meals, clean our homes, to care for our loved ones. But because it is always within our reach, flowing from our faucets, filling our glasses, we often overlook just how vital it is. But the moment it runs low, we are reminded of an undeniable truth. Water is a lifeline for our communities, and every Filipino deserves dependable access to it. Today, we gather to celebrate an achievement that brings us closer to that goal that we have had for many years, the inauguration of Tunnel Number 5 of the Angat Water Transmission Improvement Project. This new tunnel strengthens the decades-old Umiray-Angat-Ipo-La Mesa system, the backbone that delivers water from Angat Dam to Metro Manila and to Mega Manila. Right now, almost 90% of the water used by almost 20 million people in Metro Manila, in Bulacan, parts of Cavite, and Rizal pass through this system. These numbers show how important it is to keep the Angat system strong, reliable, and future-ready. And this is why the establishment of Tunnel Number 5 is not only important, it is essential. Its raw water conveyance to carry 1.6 billion liters of water every day will increase our system's transport capacity from 6 billion to almost 8 billion liters of water every day. Ibig sabihin, mas maraming pamilya magkakaroon ng tuloy-tuloy at maaasahang supply ng tubig sa kanilang mga tahanan. May isasaayos ang mga datib ng tunnel dahil may backup ng pwedeng pagdaanan ng tubig. Yung mga tunnel po na sinira, dahil kailangan na mag-maintenance, maaari na ngayon natin balikan ulit, baka may pag-asa pa, baka may rehab pa, para magamit pa rin natin. Mas magiging handa ang ating mga komunidad sa panahon ng tagtuyot at iba pang epekto ng ating hinaharap na climate change. Mas nagiging matatag ang ating water system para bawat Pilipinong umaasa rito araw-araw. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the steadfast support of Maynila Water, our engineers, our workers, and everyone who dedicated their skill and effort to this project. This project reminds us that we can accomplish when the government and the private sector and the LGUs are anchored on a shared vision. Ladies and gentlemen, let this milestone encourage us to value the resources that we are blessed with. Use them responsibly and take part in building a more inclusive, sustainable future for everyone. Let us continue working together, government, private sector, and citizens alike, to shape a nation where progress is shared, where communities are empowered, and where our daily needs are truly met. Congratulations to all those who have put in the hard work and made the sacrifices to make today possible. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang sambayan ng Pilipino, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
So yun mga bes, ano po ang komento nyo? Ang ganda, di ba? Sabi sa inyo eh. Si PBBM nakatutok sa mga problema ng bawat region ng buong Pilipinas, sa mga iniwan sa kanyang mga nakaraang administration, mga beswa. Kawawa nga siya eh. Tinambak sa kanya lahat ng problema. Ngayon, siya po ang naglilinis, nag-aayos, tapos siya pa ang masama. Saan kayo makakita niyan? O, di ba? Kita nyo yan, oh. Napakaganda, di ba? O, shout out sa mga taga Maynila. Ang ganda niyan. Panahon pa ng papa niya yan. Tapos dinagdagan pa. Di kayo naloka. Pinalawak pa. O, lahat ng problema ng mga past administration na hindi nila kayang resolbahin, tinambak kay PBBM. Kaya siya ngayon ang naglilinis, ang nagpuno, 'di ba? O kaya mahiya kayo sa mga sarili niyo yung mga nagsasabi mag-resign si PBBM, yung mga nagpaplanong destabilization, makarma kayo. Hindi kayo magtatagumpay. Yung mga hangad nyo, yung hangad nyo para sa pansarili lang. Yung mga hangad ng mga retired general para sa posisyon lang. O, di ba? Hindi po sa mamamayang Pilipino. Kung ang inatupag nyo, tumulong kay Pangulo, di mas maganda pa. O, ayan. Di ba? Nga kayo. Kaya, yung mga ganitong magagandang proyekto, spread natin para makita ng mga salot sa lipunan. Yung mga puon nila, walang nagawa. Kuda ng kuda. O, di ba? Binuto sila ng taong bayan, pero wala bagsak. Pulilat ang bansa, sa totoo lang. So yun mga best, there's more. Thank you for watching. Kudos naman sa ating mahal na Pangulo, no? Napakasipag na Pangulo sa kasaysayan, sa totoo lang, except lang yung ama niya. And of course, yung mga partnership, shout out sa kanila, kudos din naman. Thank you guys for watching. See you again on my next upload. Bye 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 and baboos. God bless Philippines.